Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action-X3, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Now they usually come with a device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. And what you want to do with it is push out that tray that is located on the left side, right here. Just press it in there, and you'll see the tray kind of slide out a bit to the point that you can actually grab it and pull it out all the way. And then you can just take the SIM, put it in here like so, with the cutout on the bottom right corner, and then the SD card. Make sure that both of them are laying flush on there, and slide it back in. There we go. Let me actually put the SD card because it kind of came out. There we go. And that's it. So slide it back in there. And then there's the SD card. And it's looking for reception, as you can see, from the actually visible bars instead of a lack of SIM. So that is how you insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.